What's good, everybody? Today is October 6th, 2025, Thursday. You heard me? Yes. Had a pretty yesterday. Pretty good day. One swing from yesterday to the day. We're gonna see how that plays out. But nevertheless, you know what time it is. Lord Jesus, I come to you and I pray for the patience to be able to just sit here and do nothing until I see my setups form. Lord Jesus, I pray for the eyes and the logical intelligence to kick in, to see and notice when my high probability setups form. Lord Jesus, I pray for the confidence to take my trades with courage and conviction after I see my probability set up. Lord Jesus, I ask for the discipline to be able to get my stop loss set in time and secure profits or get my losses cut early. Small losses make bosses, and I'm working on that department. Lord Jesus, I also ask for successful and profitable trading day today, as well as a successful and trading profitable career. As I continue my journey on this thing called day trading, I ask you to be with me step by step. My great grandmother always said, if I make one, you'll make two. Keep my hands diligent, put in work, keep the faith, things that happen. So that's what I'm doing. Lord Jesus, all these things I ask in your name. Amen. Share my screen. I already got my screen set up. Got about 4 minutes before the market actually opens up. And we do have like a gap, I believe, gonna come. Wow, I can't see my screen. Let me see if something ain't right. Can't see my screen. Try it again. Like it's gonna push down a little bit. There we go. There we go. There we go. All right, so I already got my charts up. I got the previous day high in purple. Let me go to the 1 hour chart. All right, so I got the previous day high, previous day low. I got a daily and 1 hour supply zone up there. I got 1 hour demand, daily and 1 hour supply down here. Feel like we're gonna be opening with a gap. That's what this black space is, notated. We are still in the uptrend. Let me look at the daily chart. Like I said, don't mind all of this gibberish on the screen. It's kind of confusing. It's kind of hurting the eyes. It's even hurting me. Eventually, I'll get to the point where I won't need none of that stuff on my screen. Okay, we're still on the uptrend. Look like I still want to respect this trend line right here. All right. So we're looking bullish on the daily chart. Looking kind of bullish on the 4 hour chart. Kind of consolidating a little bit right here on this 1 hour chart. Price trying to come down a little bit. We did have some economic news data come out today. The PPI, the Producer Price Index, that dropped a little bit. So the cost of manufacturing and making goods kind of came down a little bit since August. Got a minute left. here. We ready to get it out the market. You know what I mean? They talking about they getting it out the mud. I'm getting it out the market, baby. You know what I'm saying, baby? Pull up my account so that way I can see how this. It's 9:30. Ding, 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 ding. So I don't understand why my contract price ain't moved. Let me just check on the computer real quick. Okay, it did move. Let me still open up my account on the computer because this phone, you know, sometimes I want to act up. 512979. Alright. Back to live action. Alright, so got this gap. We're gonna see if it's gonna gap and go or if it's gonna gap and fill. We are below the 100. Let's see what this VWAP talking about. We below the VWAP. Got some transacts. Get ready to mark off my 5-minute candle high and low. Just bring the trend line out. Then I'll just move it according to the price goes. It's always the game plan. Try to get a break of the opener candle, break of the 15-minute candle, break of the 30-minute range. And of course, see how price reacts around the previous day highs and lows area. And of course, ultimately, we're looking for our supply and demand zone trades. Let's see what we got here. We're gonna get some downside push. See how this 1 hour candle looking. Looking real bearish. Looking real bearish. Looking real bearish. Real bearish. Got a put contract pulled up in case we want to do a quick break to the downside. Let's see. Let me jump in the put. Look like we're gonna have a push down. I see some selling pressure. See if I get filled. Okay, I don't know what just happened. I don't know what just happened. I put an order in. I don't see the order. That is strange. Okay, so the order did get filled. That's strange. It's not showing up. I'll tell you what this thing does, what it's going to do. Come on and go fill that gap. Price is below the 100. We got 6 of the 7 in green. Price closed below the 4-minute low. Come on down. There we go. I like it. I like it. I like it, like it, like it. I like it like that. I like it like that. See how this position is playing out. Up 6%. And you get 5% locked in. I didn't get it locked in yet. I've been kicked out. Got their liquidity sweep. With that, there a liquidity sweep. I don't think so. Possibly. Can assert these pre-market lows. Could have possibly came and swept from pre-market lows. So okay, no gain. Should have got that 5% gain. Since I didn't, I am down 5%. Walk out this 15-minute low. Nice strong push to the upside. I should have locked in that 5%. That's what it's telling me. I should have just took my little 5%. Now I'm down 7%. It's still below the 100. See if I see a doji form on this hiking Nashi candle chart. Oh, that structure. So go a little 5-minute supply. A 5-minute supply zone that was created. Keep this 5-minute supply hold. Look on it 1 minute. Could be pushing up today. Look at that. Damn. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Okay. Little supplies on holding. Kind of want to add to this position. See if I can add to this position. Like this nice push out the supply zone. Okay, I was able to get an ad with my cost down, and I am in profit. Okay. Okay. Gotta get 5% locked in soon as this candle could close. Okay. Looking good. Looking good. Nice. Go ahead and get that locked in. Boom. Got 2 contracts. I'm gonna lock one in at 5%. Then I'm gonna get the second one locked in at 10%. That success. Got both my contracts locked in. Okay, well I got kicked out on one. Got a 10% win. That sold. Got stopped out. Hello. Hello. Damn telemarketers, I tell you. Nice. Come on, fill the gap. Get this other one locked in for 10%. As soon as I locked it in. As soon as I locked it in, it kicked me out. It kicked me out. That's alright. Got a quick 20% gain. And it's all good. Quick quick $50. Quick $50. Looking like a liquidity sweep right there now. Like they want to go to the upside now. Looking like a liquidity sweep. But my charts is showing bearish signals, so I don't have no confluence. I just got this 5 minutes right here showing like a little liquidity sweep. I'm gonna go with it. And it's right above the previous all-time high. See if I can pull up a call contract. I swear, it's done. I won't get on my nerves sometimes. See if I can jump in the call. See the RSI getting rejected, pushing up. But I didn't get jumped in that call yet. I've been getting cooked right now. Yeah, get in now. Get in. Keep moving too quick. You won't let me get in. I'm gonna play it up. Let me get in. Let me get in. Put my order in and see if it get filled. Didn't get filled yet. He shot up $8 on me. Damn, son. They did not let me get in, yo. I'm mad at that. So do I just leave this order sitting here? Or do I try to get in at a higher price? Wait for it to come back down. Tried to get in at 210. That thing ran up to 225. I was back at 220. Drop some more. Can I get in this time? 214. I'll take it. Did I get in at 210? Okay, I got in at my price, 210. Way to go. Good shit. It came back and picked me up. I like it. I love it. Came back and picked me up. I'm up a 0.5%. Nice. Let's go. Go ahead and take off now. Seen this little liquidity sweep right there. See if that was the case. Up 1%, down 1%, up 2%, down 1%. Pattern right there. See what it's gonna do around this 30-minute range. We'll be coming down to test that range again. This 15-minute. This 30-minute. Trying to see if I see any pin bars, any hammers forming, any bullish indication. Still got big indecisions everywhere. 21 minute. Got a green dozer. Okay, 1 minute. All I saw cross down, trying to push back up towards the 100. Add up to that position. About to get one. One more. I was a little too quick. I got added at a higher price. Trying to push up 2.5%. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Come up out of there. Come up out of there. Come up out of there. See if I can get 5% locked in real quick. Up 2.5. Up 0.5%. Break even. It's looking bearish though. It really is looking bearish. Look at Georgia's trend line right here. Looking bearish. You need to get up off that line right there. Looking bearish. Look and see how these candles looking on these different time frames. Looking bearish. Looking bearish. Yeah, it's looking bearish. Definitely is. Okay, the 1 minute keeps showing me life. This green doji, like it's gonna turn into a green hammer. In this 1 minute, it's giving me a little life. How strong is it gonna be? Now 4%. We could get up above that trend line. It's golden, but it's playing games right here. Playing games right here. See what's going on to the left in this area last time. Okay, it was support this morning. That was support, so I hope it's not turning into resistance, but that was support. Was resistance, support, resistance, support. So it might be trying to turn into resistance. Got caught slipping. It's not either way, we're gonna keep that top stop loss. But it looked like it came down and sweep some more right here. Looked like it came and sweep some more right there. Twenty percent my limit. Looking bearish, kid. Looking like a sweat. Anybody give you test sweat again? Also cross down on the 1 minute. Then it's looking bearish. About ready to get up out of here. Ready to get up out of here. Have to get up out of here. Looking bearish. Everything lagging. My computer lagging. My phone lagging. Yeah, we're looking bearish. See where we at. We're about to cut this at 20%. It's turning up for a second. It's not. Actually, I'm at the bottom more. At the bottom more. See if I got in. I bought another one. Where my stop loss was at, I added. Like every time I do that, I lose. You know what I mean? So Get up above that trend line. Above that trend line. Okay, get above that trend line. Mm-hmm. Gotta get the 5%. It's a fight, but I'm right here. I'm up 1%. 5 minutes left on this line. If you get above this trend line, close above it. That'd be a good look. You headed back towards 100. See where we at on the VWAP. Just above the VWAP. We can close above the VWAP. We could be golden. Maybe back above that trend line. Come on. I'm at 5%. Just need a little bit more push to get up underneath to get my stop loss set. I'm good so far. Just hold tight. It's not holding tight. Got a bullish sign on the 30 minute. Looking bullish on the 1 hour. Looking bullish on the 4 hour. Might not break even. Need this next candle to come on. Need this next candle to come on. Got a bullish engulfing right here. Up 3%. Come on. Stop playing with your boy. Stop playing with your partner. Up 3%. Come on. Stop playing with your partner. Price is right at the VWAP. It's having trouble at the VWAP. Having trouble at the VWAP. Been below the VWAP all morning. When you get above that VWAP, come on. Above that VWAP. About 2 minutes left. Up 3%. Come on. Mm-hmm. It's looking bullish. It's holding this line right here. You're looking bullish. Looking bullish. Just right there at Almost at my stop loss point. Yo, we got 2 minutes left. If I let this live end before saying peace, that's because I'm just super focused on this trade right now. I'm gonna try to get back and say peace before 2 minutes is up. Come on, let's reach the other side of this 30-minute range, baby. Okay. Okay. I need this candle to close. Need this candle to close. Okay. Okay. I got 5% locked in. Got 5% locked in. Got 5% locked in. If I get 10% locked in, if I get 10% locked in, so let me go ahead and say peace right now. Keep joy in your heart. Keep God first. Be a service to someone. Help someone. Teach someone. Learn from someone. All right, let's get it. Another successful trade here on live, baby. Let's go. To tomorrow, I'll holler back with the holler back.